always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Flooding concerns tonight, an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. Just to put this into perspective, we usually see about 4 inches of rain total for the month of May. And already many of us are seeing a good 1 to 2.5 inches fall from this system. And we have a lot of rain that fell on Friday. So rounds after rounds of rain here setting the stage for areas of flooding. If you live by a spot that usually floods just a bit, you're going to be the first ones to go. So just keep that in mind. Plan your routes accordingly if you're driving. And remember, do not drive through flooded streets. At the very best, your car could stall, and at the very worst, sometimes that road can get washed out. So just keep that in mind. This is springtime. This is usually when we review the things to do during flooding. Aside from that, we're also watching for some lakeshore flooding concerns. The wind is going to be blowing and gusting up to about 30 miles per hour, so some erosion definitely possible at that. And then eventually, the showers are going to be exiting on Tuesday. So this is going to be a very slow-moving system. Originally, it looked like it'd be able to kick out on Monday, but it's stalling. It's dragging its heels. So if we look at the center of circulation, it's wrapping into Iowa as we speak, and just ahead of it, it's pulling up tons of moisture from the Gulf. So because this system has been kind of cut off and it's not being scooped along by the jet stream, we get round after round of rain, and the moisture source is excellent. The Gulf of Mexico is one of the best moisture providers. So unfortunately for us, that means more potential for more showers. Right now, we're not seeing any severe weather, but flooding is our biggest concern. And our FUTURECAST for our rainfall totals continually paint out about 1 to 3 inches of additional rain. Now, keep in mind the bullseyes for who sees the most rain has been changing every model run. And what that tells us is the amount is good, but the placement might change. So it's all depending on where those downpours land. But it is looking likely that all of us should pick up a good 1 to 3 inches of rain here overnight tonight to add on to some of these totals, which is a lot of water. This continues on through Monday, by the way. So looking at your temperatures now, wind is wrapping in out of the east. That's going to keep our highs near 60 on Monday with rounds of moderate to heavy downpours at times, adding to that 1 to 3 inch amount. And then Tuesday, we start to wrap things up, but still some rain shower chances. So here's your FUTURECAST. Rounds of rain, moderate at times, not expecting it severe weather. But again, downpours likely, and some of these could spin a little bit further to the east. This is 6 o'clock on Monday, and at that time we start to see a bit of a lull. But as we see the system exit out, it should throw a few more showers our way on Tuesday itself. So it's not until Wednesday that we finally kick out of the rain and start to see the sunshine return. I went a little bit more optimistic with this one, Heather. So we got sunshine for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Temps rebound to the 70s, even a couple of 80s here.